Nano Babo Kabalen, welcome to Pampanga guys para sa video na to. And nandito tayo ngayon sa Angeles City, particularly dito po sa may Nepo QUAD because we were invited by Hannah Marielle's Bakes and Cakes. So actually this is one of their 3 branches.
Yes.
So napuntahan na natin yan yung sa SM City Pampanga,
Yes.
SM City Clark, and right now it's just along the busy road ng Nepo QUAD.
We are very happy kasi miss na natin yung kanyang premium egg pie.
Yes, yes. Yun yung isa sa mga nagpasikat sa kanya. Aside from yung Yema Runes,
Yes.
nung natikman natin yung kanilang mga egg pie, eh grabe.
Parang nasa langit na nga ako.
Nasa langit na nga ako.
We will never forget yung egg pie nga talaga ni Hannah Marielle. Kasi
Yes.
ito yung egg pie na tinikman natin na napakasiksik, napakasarap, at ano pa ba?
Premium.
Premium.
I
Very.
think that is the ultimate word to describe
Kaya nga kasama siya sa pangalan niya, premium egg
premium
pie.
egg pie. On our table, meron pa rin tayong mga cakes. So like this one, ito yung kanilang blueberry cheesecake.
Ito ang kanilang choco yema cake.
Choco Yema cake. Ay, grabe. More for the sweets and desserts, meron tayo dito ang braso de manga.
Brado de manga, yes. Meron din silang chocolate chip cookie.
And then, sa harap naman natin, tawag dito ay mini cake rolls.
Mini cake rolls.
And then, guys, if you're looking for refreshment naman, like coffee, frap, meron po sila dito, no? On our table, meron tayo ditong strawberry milkshake. It has ice cream in it.
Oo nga, kaya nga sabi ko, excited na akong kumain.
So, meron din tayong mocha. This is hot mocha. Yung isa naman ay iced cappuccino. Alright, so what else should we do? Ayan,
Let's
guys,
eat!
tikman na natin to.
Ang sarap.
Sarap siya.
Oo.
Fresh.
Oo, fresh.
Sarap yung mga bread. Actually, yung bread na yan, sila yung gumagawa din. So they bake their own, sandwich bread. Alright, so there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for being with us in this video. Thank you so much, Hannah Marielle, and congratulations on your bakery cafe. So guys, sa mga nagtatanong, this is located po sa may Nepo QUAD, Angeles City. It's very accessible. No problem for parking. Meron po silang parking sa likod. And they are open from 9 a.m. up until 9 p.m. on a daily basis. Nabusog ako, napagod ako, pero I am satisfied.
Thank you so much, Hannah Marielle.
Thanks so much, Hannah Marielle. Thanks so much for watching Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out. Bye, guys.
Oh, thank you.